Good morning to all my lovely kids. Hope you all are fit and healthy and taking care of your health. Today, your Renu ma'am is here with a new concept. So, first we will know which date is today. Which date is today, students? Today is 9th September 2020 and it is Wednesday. And today's thought is never give up. And subject is your EVS subject. And today's topic is farm animals. Today we will know what are farm animals. And today we will do an activity also. Okay? For this, today your special friend also is here. And tell me who's she? Yes, Miss Guinea. Miss Guinea is also here. So children, say hello Miss Guinea. Yes, very good. Now Miss Guinea, say hello friends. Hello friends. Now children, do you know Miss Guinea loves animals. And do you want to know which animals Miss Guinea loves? Do you want to know? Okay, I will tell you which animals Miss Guinea loves. Okay, so first students, tell me, what is this? What is this? Yes, this is dog. This is dog. And Miss Guinea loves dog. And tell me student, what is this? Which animal is this? This is sheep. This is sheep. And Miss Guinea also loves sheep. And student, tell me, what is this? What is this? Yes, very good. This is hen. This is hen. And what is this? Yes, this is cat. This is cat. And Miss Guinea loves cat. And so then tell me, which animal is this? Which animal is this? This is cow. This is cow. And Miss Guinea also loves cow. Now students, you know which animals Guinea loves? You know? Yes, very good. Now children, it's time to do exercise and our activity. Okay? Now students, take out your EVS book and open page number 44. Which page number? 44. First, you have to mention here today's date and its introduction of farm animals. Guinea loves animals. Look at the pictures to identify the farm animals. Now we will see here which animals are there. This is horse. This is horse. This is pig. This is pig. This is cat. This is cat. This is goat. This is goat. This is cow. This is cow. And this is dog. This is dog. This is hen. This is hen. This is sheep. This is sheep. This is duck. This is duck. Now students, come on page number 45. Which page number? 45. First, you have to mention today's date here. Now we will do farm animals activity. So, first we see what Chup Chup says. Chup Chup says, Do fingerprinting with grey color on the cat and brown color on the dog. Now you have to dip your finger in grey color, then you have to apply on cat, and brown color apply on dog. Now students, do this activity and send in your response group. Okay kids, bye bye, take care.